All right, let's move on to the foundation page. So we don't need a floor plan, so we can get rid of that. It's good. And let's come here and just put foundation plan. Hit OK. Hit there. Let's see what you got. It's good. Let's see the detail. Footer. Let's see what you have here. We need more than just footer here. Good. Yeah, can't use these. All right, no worries. I can fix that. Let's fix these first. Let's see where you got these. Okay, there, that's good. Let's go in here. Wall sections. We're gonna need to grab one of these. One of these. And what are we running? Rafters on this, right? So can't use this. We're gonna have to use this. We're using rafters. All right. So we're gonna copy all that. Let's paste it. All right. So what we need to do, first of all, let's take all these arrows. Let's change them. 2-inch. Okay. Do the same with these. Change them. 2-inch. Perfect. Along here, might as well change this one too. Arrow. 2-inch. Okay. Let's grab this. Perfect. Now we need to take this roof. Let's change all these arrows. Okay, we don't need this strap. We're not running a beam. Don't need that beam. What did I get rid of here? Okay, yeah, we don't need any of this. put it right here. So we'll put it like this. Actually, no. Let's go here. Let's just run. Let's do it like that. Bring this back in. Scoop this. Right here. This. Scoop back to here. Cool. It's good. I got 24 on center. I think you got 16. So let me switch this to 16. Although I think I got a feeling we're going to be 24. I'll leave it at 24. I'll let you know in a little bit. By 6. Yep. 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 Okay, up here we got some craziness. All right, so we can get rid of gonna need this one. Don't need that. Let's drop this one down a little. And then here we'll put a head of 20. Oop. All right. Scoot this over. Arrow. Good. So we just want the 2-inch. So that's that. Let's take this. We can just take all of this. How do I want to do this? Let's take all of this. So, gotta make it wider. There's my other note. All right. Cool. Oh, that's good. Perfect. Now on this one, only thing I think we got to have to change is the roof. Let's figure out how we could do this. All right. Here. Scoot that over. And now let's grab this roof. Let's grab all this, right? And we're going to copy it. And let's just paste it right over here. Cool. Now, next, let's get rid of this. Okay, now let's grab one of these. Grab all this. All this. All this. Make sure we get this. Make sure we get this. Cool. Now, let's move that right here. That's good. All right. Let's get this over here. Let's take a look. Cool. Looks good. Let's scoot this in to fit. All right. Hopefully that works. Drop these out. I will need these in a minute, actually. Let's bring these back in. Oh, I gotta put these in a 1/2 inch. Half-inch scale. All right, so it takes care of that detail. Now I do need another one because I got 4x4 rafters. Am I running monolithic slab up there too? Let's see, probably not. I'm gonna have to run concrete pads. Okay, let's get in here real quick. Let's go to floor plan. A copy. Now what I need to do is put compost. Put 4x4, maybe that'll run it to the top. Compost. Hit OK. So now we've created that layer. 4x4 compost. We're going to move this one to that layer as well. Open. There it is, 4x4 compost. Hit OK. Tab. Open. Four by four compost. Hit OK. All right, so now on our foundation plan, check this out. All we have to do is click this on to display. Hit OK. There they are. All right. Now, go like this. That's our slab. Don't worry if it didn't grab the one with the axis, just draw another one. It's not a big deal. There you go. There you go. Cool. All right. You got that in place. One other thing that we're going to have to do. So this wall and this wall are not needed for the foundation plan. So we need to turn those off. We go here, we go to layer. So it's on walls normal. Walls, put it on walls not for foundation and hit OK. Now I did change it on X13. I'm not sure if I changed it on X12. Yeah, see the walls are still missing here. Not a big deal. Just go back to walls not for foundation and check them on. There they are. Okay. If you start working in 13, once you do, you won't have to worry about doing that. It's already fixed. Okay, and then these guys we don't need. Let's turn these off. Good. This is where we need to put our dimensions for our openings in the slab. This is telling the plumber where the plumbing goes. And then when they pour the slab, those pipes are already in place, so they don't have to worry about cutting it later. Okay, and this one you can run all the way to this wall. All right, and then we need to put one from here to the outside. All right. The toilet, don't worry about. The shower, go ahead and put it to the outside. That's where the slab is on the outside. Okay, that's good. Let's put some dimensions. Some dimensions. Pick it up a little to there. I gotta go a little more actually. Let's try there, see if that's enough room. Now let's go ahead and put our layers on, wall layers. Hit OK. There we go. All right, now let's draw our footer. So let's do this like, let's do this like this. Open, line style, dotted. Okay. Bring this in, and this in. All right, so now we're 20-inch. If we look here, we got a 20-inch monolithic slab with two number 5 rebars continuous. So we need to do 20 inches from outside to here. We're gonna do the same here. We're gonna do the same here. And this one already has a footer actually. This is the back wall. Oh, but this one doesn't. All right, so I need to put a break here. This is existing. Put a break here, and then we can run one back to there. Cool. And then I need to put a dimension here. $20. 20. 20. 20. And get rid of these. All right, so that's that. What's this? Oh, this is sync. All right, don't worry about that. That's fine. Cool. So that's that part. Let's go ahead and draw these guys here. Actually, I want to draw them as these. All right, cool. Double click this, fill style, transparency 100, hit OK. Line style. And now we're going to put this as 24. Should have probably centered this after I did that. All right, let's center it again. There. Let's copy that. Let's put one here. Copy that. And put it here. All right, so that's that part. We can actually drop some dimensions on these. We'll run these to the center. Oh, come on. There we go. Center. That works. And let's run this one to the outside. There we go. All right, now this one, same thing. We'll run it from the center. And then from here, we're going to run this to the outside. Let's do one of these boxes now. We're going to do conch solid. Change the color. I'll change it to that. All right. It's going to be 6 by 6. Oh, come on. I want to give me the 6 by 6. Oh, come on. 6. This 6. There we go. All right, that's better. Just going to grab it from here. Scoot it over one and up. What these are, this shows where these vertical rebars in the wall are going to be sitting. All right. Typically sit these 4 feet on center for the most part. So we're going to change this to 48. We're going to go ahead and run these through. I'll show you the tool I used again in a moment. All right, so that one worked out pretty good. Obviously, we can't have one sitting on the door. We'll erase that one, but we do need one on the side of the door. So we'll copy this. Put one there. This one. These want to slide 8 inches. Every time we move them, we're going to be moving them 8 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's good there. All right, now this one we're going to have to double up. There's nothing we can do about it. That's fine. Run it like that. Actually, we just scoot the door over. Tab. Scoot this door over 1 inch, and that fixes everything. Right, cool. So now we're going to do the same thing with this. So we're going to click on that tool, and this is automatically going to move them 4 on center. All right. This one, we know we need to copy this one and then move this one over. We need to have one every 4 feet at minimum on center. So this one we can move 8, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leave it there. Now these, you need to put one on either side of this window. But I'm going to want that window 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay. So we're going to scoot this window over so that they don't have to cut the block. 1, 2. 4. I'll teach you about block dimensions on another video and why we do things this way so that we don't have to cut the block. We put these windows in according to the 8 by 8 inches from one of these sides. So when you hit one of these sides of the window, it's always going to be dividable by 8. All right, so that takes care of that. Now let's do this wall. Again, these are the rebars that are sitting vertically in the wall. So again, we're going to hit this place copies at intervals. It's already set to 4 feet. I'm just going to click in here and drag it down. All right, just going to drag it like that. All right, so this one, since we're centering this one on the toilet, I'm not going to worry about moving it around. Copy this. Put it on the other side there. And this one should be inside the 4 feet, so we can just scoot it down. Okay, and then I'm just going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now we got to tell them dimensionally where all these are sitting so that they know where to put these rebars. So you're always going to start from the outside of the wall. All right. So I'm going to start here to there. Now we're going to take one and run it from here. Oh, I need one on the other side there. Oops. My fault. Tab. Go. Go. Here we go. And all the way to the wall. There we go. So that if we add all these numbers up, it would give us the length from start to finish. Let's put this one down a little smaller. At 6 for sure. Let's go to 4. There, now it fits. All right, let's do these. Good there. Good there. Good there. Good there. 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 All right. Cool. Put these up a little. All right, this one, let's just make it a little smaller. Let's make this one 5. I don't have to make it 4. No. Let's just bring this one up. Here. There. That's fine. These guys, let's slide them up. Cool. That's good. Put one of these on all these walls if we can. Sometimes it gets obnoxious, but let's try to put them on all the walls. Sometimes you just don't have the room to, but I'm going to try and fit them in here. Let's see. Cool. It's that part. We got these guys. So now, just gonna put a quick note, 20 by 12 monolithic footer with 2 number 5 rebars continuous. Let's put typical. Let's put typical there. TYP, which means everywhere they see that, that's what that's going to mean. Boo, boo, boo. All right. And then that goes there. Now here, I'm going to put (24 by 24 by 12, 24 by 24 by 12 monolithic. So this is going to be concrete pad. With 3 number 5 rebars, and we're going to put each way. Typical. And this, I need to switch to 20 by 10. These 10 as well. All right, so there's that. Yeah, foundation plans take the longest. Out of everything that you're going to do, it's the foundation plan you're going to spend the most time. All right, here we go. So we have that. All right. Now we got to tie, see this existing slab? We got to tie this slab and this slab to this slab. So we're going to draw a box. I want it at 1 inch. I want it 16 inches long. Now I'm going to open this and fill it. I'll fill it at 0.25. I'm going to take this piece of rebar and we're going to drop it right like this. Okay. I'm going to slide it over to here. Now I'm going to drag it out. This one, I want to drag it out 24 on center. Just like that. There we go. That looks good. That's just going to be connecting the 2 slabs. So these pieces of rebar are going to be sitting inside this slab, and they're going to be drilled into this slab. All right. Now, if you go to your footer, details and notes, we can find all this stuff that we need. All right, so we have these guys here. Drill 4 inches. We're going to put this to 8 inches. Drill 8 inches to existing slab, clean all debris, and install a number 5 16-inch dots. 16 where it changes to 24. Center into existing epoxy or so typical. Perfect. I'm going to take this note, copy it. We're going to put that right here. Actually, let's put it over here. All right. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Let's see what else we have in here. What else do we need? Oh, we need this one. This tells them how to pour the concrete, what kind of concrete they need to pour. So we need to put that one here. And this one's always missing an L, so let's go ahead and put that L in there. Let's put that. Let's grab another one. We need to put it on both. All right, so we have that. What else are we missing? Let's see. I need a slope. Because on the porch, they got to slope it so the water doesn't run into the house. So let's paste this slope in here. We're almost done. Foundation plans take the longest. All right. One other thing that I know that we're going to need. Put here. 0 foot dash 4 inches. And we're going to put below finish floor. Okay. Now we're going to take this, put it here, and then so up here we're going to put match existing, and we're going to put finish floor height. So they know that they gotta, when they pour this slab, that they're going to pour this one to match this one. All right. So that's that. And what else do I need on here? So we're running the water this way. We need the recess in the slab for the doors. So when they pour these slabs, they have to put a small recess in there. It's a 3/4 inch recess in the slab, and that's for the doors. So real quick, let me just do that. And put 3/4 inch recess and slab for exterior. There we go. Flip that. Let's do all this is done. Let's double check. Let's see what else. What else do we have? We did that. We did that. We got, oh, need to put the door drop. So let's grab this. I'm telling you, these foundation plans take a lot of little things. So let's go ahead and put this drop in. This is just letting them know where the floor drops. All right, so it's actually going to be like this. And it's going to drop right there. Now let's just flip this text around. All right, so that's that. That's good. Let's see what else. I think that should take care of it. For this one, yeah, looks good. But we're still not done. Oh, and we got to tie these walls together too. All right, no worries. So we still got a little bit to do here. So we have these notes, but we need to show them how we're going to tie this stuff together. So let's go back to our wall sections and details. All right, so for this one, we're going to need one of these. I'm not going to worry about this stuff. We are going to need one of these. Copy. Let's bring them out here. Oh, looks like they're not wanting to show up. That's fine. We're going to hit open. Polylines. Okay. Slide this over. All right. So now these are 4x4 posts, so we need to make this 4. Center it. Right there. 7'4". Now we need to draw 2 beams. Copy. Okay. Oh, this already have the beams. All right, cool. I don't need the beams. I'm gonna grab this. See, it's already got the beams here. So I'm just gonna put this to here. Cool. Takes care of that. Put a slab here. Actually, let's move this stuff up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a break here. Here. Put another break here. All right, so that's that. Let's put that there. It's got to be 2 inches. Oh, come on, Felix. 2 inches. Okay. Now it's got to go down here to our Simpson catalog. Bases and caps. We need this ABA, ABU. Going to be ABA. No, it's going to be the ABU. ABA is adjustable, so we need the ABUs. ABU 44. Oh, this view. Let's see if I can get it to sit just perfect. Nope, it does not want to sit perfect. All right, so let's edit this. Explode. Switch the layer to foundation plane layer. And style layer. Weight is 1, that's fine. There we go. Cool. Now, just move this to here. Cool. I put Simpson ABU 44 base. Okay. Okay, that's good. Let's just draw like a little line here. I'm just going to put grade. That's just the ground. That's what grade is. All right, and then one last note. I think we're done with this one. Then we just got one more thing to drop in. Four by 4 PT post. Now, let's grab this. Just find some spot. Looks good. Paste it in. So now I can move this way a little. Okay, now let's going to turn this to 3. Go 3. That's 1. Put cool. Now we can butt this one up right over here. All right, now there's only one other detail we need to add. Uh-oh, what did I do? All right, so I have that. I just need to, let's do this real quick. Almost done, I promise. Just one more thing we got to do. Actually, 2 more things. All right, so we got to put one of these, and this has got to be 3. That's 1. Okay, take another one. Let's put it here. 3, that's 1. Three S1. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so now we need to go back here to our details. Open view. So we need to connect these 2 walls together. Hopefully I have this note already to go. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. We need to take one of these, to copy it. And this one's already pretty big, so I can't just, we're gonna have to try to find a way to fit it somewhere. We'll find a way. Oh no. Gotta turn on that layer or put it on the foundation plan layer. So I did, and now I'm just going to send this over. File, send to layout. Hopefully I can fit this. Let's move this. Let's scoot this up. This thing's so big. So clunky. Let's move these guys up. Let's move this down. Yeah, it'll fit. All right. Okay, so there's that one. One more I know that I need, open view. Going back to the foundation plan. Where's the slab? The slab, oh, here it is. I know I need this. Slab to slab connection. I'm just gonna send it straight over. I'm not even gonna paste it to the other one. Just gonna send it like this. Try to save some time. Current. Okay, now what else do I need? Ah, so fill style. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this here. I'm gonna draw one of these. I'm gonna change this one. This color. All right. Now need this. Don't need that. But I do need pull it from here. No, come on. Gotta get this done with 16 inches. Open, fill style, hatch angle. Oh, it didn't work. Sucks. All right, let's do it again. Right here. Number 5. Let's put 16-inch. Of course it would. All right, well, that's whatever. Go ahead and send this in. It's not pretty, but I'm gonna get this done. So let's go ahead and put that in. Where'd it go? There it is. Cool. And one last thing. I'm gonna drop this in. That should conclude this foundation plan. The rest of the plan should be super easy. This one always takes the longest. It's a lot of details. Clean that up. Two, three. Bring this out. Oh, looks like I missed a thing in here. Let's just drop a dimension. Yeah, drop our dimensions. We forgot. So much stuff to these plans. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's go here to here, here to here, here to here. One, two, three, four, five. Out. All right, and then let's go here. All right, cool. That should do it. That's it for this video.